Learn English to Mauritian Creole language in the context of true love story between Abishek and Trisha. All was new to me. Always there was a fear in what will happen in the future if I am doing something wrong. Tout zafer ti nouveau pour moi. Touletemps ti ina en peur dans moi qui peut arriver devan dans le futur si me peut faire kitsoz mal. One day I came from school. It was already evening. My dad went to my grandmother's house and so mone sorti depi lekol ti deja tento. Mon papa ti a mon grandmére sur lakaz. After he returned home, my father came straight back to me with a serious face. He asked me, "Do you know Abishek?" Après qu'il retourne lakaz, mon papa vint direct envers moi avec un figire serieux. L'in demande-moi eski te kone Abishek. I panicked and did not know what to say. He waited for me to reply. From the other side, my mom came. She was very angry. Mone paniqué et me pan kone qui me peut dire li. Lin attend-moi répondit. Depuis l'autre côté, me maman in vini. L'était bien en colère. She started screaming loudly. "How do you know that boy? Where did you meet him? Since how long do you know him?" Lin commence à crier fort fort. "Comment te connais ça, garçon-là? Que donne soin-lui? Depuis combien de temps te connais?" Please share, like and subscribe if you want to know more of our beautiful love story. Thank you.